What's up, guys? Please, I need you really to subscribe since I want to become eligible for the second tier of YouTube monetization, which is 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of viewership. I'm not so far from that, but I want to reach it as soon as possible to prevent the need to have 8000 hours of viewership. I saw many of you interacting well with the video of installing legacy launcher. I thought of showing you another launcher with almost the same features, which is sklauncher. The website is skmedics.pl. It has a flat hub installation, and the .jar file, which can be run on any compatible system. It requires Java 21. We will see how to install it. It has versions for Linux, Mac OS and Windows, and it has version 4.0 beta for trying. I have here archlinux on this machine. Let's try with the native method, which is using the AUR. Someone has ported the installation to it, which is really cool. I will show you how to install it manually from the AUR. Since some of you may not have installed an AUR helper, the first command is like this. sklauncher -bin.git. I ran this command like this to make sure that it exists. I mean, the link is correct. And then cd sklauncher-bin like this. You can press tab for auto completion here, and then make package-si like this. In my case, I have already installed an AUR helper, which is yay. The installation doesn't differ much with pacman when it comes to the command of the installation, except for replacing pacman with yay and not needing the sudo command or prefix here as a command. sklauncher-bin like this. Here we press enter like this, enter again. Let's press Y and enter here. Since I would like to remove the make dependencies, in case you want to keep them, you can press N and enter here. Password, Y and enter. Y again and enter. The installation is done. Let's go to games. We have here sklauncher. I believe I removed no, I still have legacy launcher. Why this matters? Because any version that you install from legacy launcher, it will be detected by sklauncher. Let's see how that goes here. Says here that it wants us to use Java 25 LTS, although I'm using an a newer version, which is Java 26. Let's press OK here, click OK. It will work anyway, but with some minor issues. Let's click OK here. Let's switch to offline mode. Make a username here. I will call it minor. Login offline. Latest releases. No, latest release. It's only one. Latest snapshots. Installation manager. New installation here. And select vanilla. Scroll down. Let's select something. Usually it detects the installation of legacy launcher. I'm not sure if it did here, so I may be wrong here in case it didn't detect it. Click save. Here I selected 1.20.4. you can select Forge, Fabric, Quilt or Quilt, Neoforge. I'm fine with vanilla. Let's call it vanilla 1.20.4. click save here. Here we can change which folder we want. Let's try. Yeah, this is not clear enough for legacy launcher detection. Click save here and let's click play. It should download for us. As you can see, while it was trying to download that version of Minecraft, it crashed. That's why I am relaunching it, probably because of the bad choice of the version of Java. Let's click OK here. Let's play the version that was just downloaded. It finished downloading as you can see here. Let's play it. Let's hope it doesn't crash again. I paused the video not to let you watch this bar filling, downloading stuff, probably the components of the game itself. Crashed again. No problem. No problem. It relaunched it again and open the version that we just downloaded, which is 1.20.4. Here it is, 1.20.4. Let's take a look at it, and it detected the other one. Create new world. Tells about the version that was just created, which is 1.21.10. If you want to install legacy launcher, I will put the link for the video that I made about it in the description or in the cards. It was a cool video I enjoyed making. There may be some problems. Let's create a new world here. Let's call it new. Difficulty easy. Create new world. Let's make it a little bigger. It got loaded with some I like to play this game, man. It's amazing. I really enjoy playing it. It was harmful. The village is not so far here. You know, Minecraft, if you watch this video, you probably know what I'm talking about here. This place sounds... yeah, it's the villagers. Anyway, I'm signing out. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy watching me setting up my first Minecraft server. I will put that in the description. And peace.